Hey guys, so today I have got the gingerbread coffin box for July to show you. So in my last video I unboxed 2 of these and this time I'm just going to do one because I've only got one left. But I said that this one was a really fun one, so I know a lot of people were looking forward to it. So if you've not seen me open this before, it is an American box and it's $34.99. Obviously to get it to the UK there is a bit of postage. I think it's like $10 or something like that. So not the cheapest box ever, but if you're in America, I don't think $35 is that bad. I think it's a pretty good deal usually. It is one of the more fun boxes that I get. I really enjoy getting this one. And I do have a discount code, which is LunaLily for $5 off your first box. So I'll put that here now. But yeah, that gives you $5 off. So we're just gonna get straight into it. So the theme of this one was a spooky summer. This is their little info card if you want to have any of that stuff. I'll put it all down below in the description anyway, but that's their little card. Then we have a little list of contents in the box and a little like quote thing. I'm not going to read all that out. If you want to pause it and read it you can do, but that's just like a little card that's in there. And then we will open it up. So the first thing right on top is this little pouch and it says So Geek Studios, funky and unique geek crafted designs. So that's obviously from this company and they are these really cute hair scrunchies. So there is 2 in here. There is this pale grey one with little coffins on, which is adorable. Some of them say RIP, some of them have little crosses and skulls and spiders and stuff. It's literally so cute. And then we have the same one but in purple, like a dark kind of, it's showing up quite blue on camera, but it's definitely like a really deep purple in person. So they are the first 2 little things in here, which I love. Then next we have our little gemstone for the month. You pretty much always get like a gemstone crystal, something like that. And this one is in a little bottle. So it looks like this, little tiny amethyst chips in this bottle. And it says, amethyst is a powerful and protective stone that has a wide range of benefits. It assists the body in fighting and eliminating diseases. This stone helps to purify blood, thus reduces physical, emotional and psychological pain or stress. Amethyst is used for people suffering from diseases of the lungs and respiratory tract, skin conditions and disorders in cells. Amethyst aids in getting plentiful amounts of sleep at night and helps in remembering and understanding dreams. This crystal can also relieve an individual from stress and strain, soothes irritability, balances mood swings, dispels anger, rage, fear and anxiety. So this is from New Aura Vibes. Their gemstones and stuff are pretty much always from that company. But yeah, this little bottle is very cute. I'm assuming you can like take the cork out and take these out if you really want to, but that is that. Then next we have this, which I think is 2 separate little things. I've not opened this, so I'm not too sure, but let's have a look. Okay, so this is, yeah, so there's 2 different ones. There is this tiny little one and then there is this bigger one with little bat wings on them, and these are charging cord protectors. So it says protection from breakage and fraying, feed charging end through the large bat and feed down to the USB. Basically it's for like iPhone chargers, phone chargers, other phone chargers, iPad chargers, whatever you want. You know where it always like bends at the end where it goes into the phone, and sometimes they break and they fray and the plastic comes away and all the like wires are loose. Well, basically you put these over the plastic bit and then they don't bend, and they are literally the cutest things I've ever seen. I'm 100% going to be putting this on my phone charger because that is adorable. I have my phone here actually, so basically it's going to be like looking like this at the bottom with the charger in. They are very cute. So that is that item. super random, but literally like I've loved everything so far. So that is those. Then next we have a hand sanitizer, which currently is one of the most used things, I would say, and it says spooky on it. So it has the actual sanitizer in there, and then this is just like a little holder, so you could replace it if you wanted to, or refill it up or whatever, and you can like hang it on your bag, on your keys, wherever you want. Let's see if it's like, I'm gonna just unscrew it, if it's scented or anything. It smells maybe a little lemony. I wouldn't say it's the nicest smell, but honestly just the bottle is really, really cute. So once I've used that up, I will definitely be refilling that. Then next we have just a little lollipop. This one is sour apple bubblegum filled pop. Looks like that. Blow pop, that's what it is. We don't have blow pops in the UK, so we have some like similar stuff, but not like the actual blow pops. So that is that. And then there is 3 things left, so I'll leave the 2 bigger things to the end. Next we have a Lunatic Cosmetic Labs item, like usual. This is one of my favourite things that they do. I do already have this, but I'm really excited that everyone else who gets this box now gets to try this out because it's amazing. So this is one of their lip slicks, which is basically kind of like a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't really dry down. It kind of stays a little bit glossy. When I wear this, I get questioned all the time in my videos what it is that I'm wearing. This is in the colour Coffin Cream, and it looks like this. I will do a quick swatch. Mine is kind of nearly running out, so I'm super happy that I've got another one of these. Like I said, one of my favourites, probably one of my favourite lipsticks ever. Like, I love this one, I wear it all the time. So we have one of those, and then we have the 2 bigger items. So the first one is these, which are some sunglasses. Now the case, like the little pouch itself, is adorable, says spooky on it. These are probably the weirdest, most extra sunglasses I've ever seen in my entire life. I'll probably never wear them, but I love them just because of how strange they are. They are mirrored bat wings. So obviously you can see there my light in that, so I'm trying not to kind of shine everything. But yeah, that is what they look like. I will put them on to show you how crazy I look. Literally. Like, I know a lot of people don't wear them normally like this. Like, I've seen all the Instagram pictures where people are like posing and stuff. They're not really for me. Like I said, they look a little insane, but I kind of love them for pictures and stuff. These are so cool. You could even, like, you know, put them like in your top and stuff, and they look really cool. Honestly, the most random thing I think I've ever had in a subscription box, but I love them. So that is those sunglasses. I also, like I said, love the little case as well. So there is that. And then the very last thing that we have is a bag. Now, this is a little weird. It's a big fluffy white kind of like devil sort of thing. It's got like little horns at the top, little wings, and then like a little dangly tail. It's really, really fluffy, and it has a long silver chain. So the top zips open, and then inside it's just black. It's just like a little side bag. I have seen these online, and I know you can get black ones with red wings. You can get iridescent clear ones. You can get a lot of different colours, and I feel like the other colours I would have liked a tiny bit more. I don't know if everybody got this same white coloured one. The white's just a little weird, but then again, I suppose it is supposed to be a summer box, so kind of the white might be like the brighter, more summer colour. I probably won't use this outside as a bag. You can take the little like thing off, so I might end up using this as like a makeup bag or toiletries bag or put it in my car with something in it, something like that. But still, it's adorable and I do love it. It's just that it's like, I don't think I'd really wear it outside, but I kind of wish we got the iridescent clear one. That one looks so cute, but I still really do like it though. So yeah, that was everything in the Gingerbread Coffin box for July. Like I said, I think definitely one of my favourite boxes that I've had in a while off any company. It's just really fun, really random, and it just has some really nice, useful stuff in it. I genuinely don't think there's anything in this box that I won't use. I love all of it. So yeah, that was the July box. I will quickly go over everything again so you can see it all at once. So there was the fluffy white little side bag. There was the 2 Coffin scrunchies, hair scrunchies. There was the spooky hand sanitizer. There was the little bottle of amethyst chips. The 2 charging protector cable things. The spooky sunglasses, bat sunglasses, the blow pop, and the Lunatic Cosmetics Labs lip slick. So all of these things in the July spooky summer box. Like I said, genuinely one of my favourites. I've had it in a while, so I feel like a lot of you will like this as well. Some people don't like this box, they say it's too expensive, which is fair enough. Obviously it's not a cheap box, so I know for some of you it just won't be worth it, but personally I really liked this one. So yeah, I will put all the info down below for Gingerbread Coffin in case you want to go and check them out, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.